Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off auto downloads in WhatsApp mobile. So first you just need to open up your WhatsApp and then you just need to go into these three dots on the top right side. Click on them and then you just need to go into settings on the bottom of this options, and once you clicked on the settings you just need to scroll down until you see storage and data. Click on storage and data and then go and look for this section, media auto download. Click on when connected to on Wi-Fi and then deselect all the ones that you already been selected. So just like that, and then go into OK. Alright, and we will do the same thing to when using mobile data and when roaming. So here and here. Alright, so once you are finished, you turned off auto downloads and WhatsApp mobile and different aspects while you are connected on Wi-Fi, or when using mobile data, or when roaming. So everybody, that's how you turn off auto downloads in WhatsApp mobile. And thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your beloved ones. See you next video.